blocked toilet, no plunger in sight? Don't panic, I've got you. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix a clogged toilet using only dishwashing liquid and hot water. No chemicals, no plumber, no expensive tools, just real, everyday problem solving. So here's the situation. Your toilet's blocked, water's not going down, and you don't have a plunger. Step 1. Add dishwashing liquid. Grab your dishwashing liquid. I'm using Sunlight, but any thick soap will do. Pour in about half a cup. That's 3 to 4 squeezes. Step 2. Add hot water, not boiling. Boil your kettle and let it sit for a few minutes. You want the water hot, not boiling, because boiling water can crack your toilet's porcelain. Carefully pour the hot water into the bowl from about waist height to build pressure. Step 3. Wait and let it work. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The soap will break down the clog, and the hot water will push it through the pipes. Step 4. Flush it down. After 15 to 20 minutes, flush. You should see the water go down smoothly and the blockage gone. If it's still slow, you can repeat the steps once. There you go, a fully unblocked toilet without a plunger, harsh chemicals, or calling a plumber. If this saved your day, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, or if you have your own trick. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical DIY fixes.